Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to do the installation of Dekuve 2.1 ISO. So let us start, and we are going to install the Dekuve desktop on the GNOME boxes. So we are going to use GNOME boxes for virtualization of Dekuve ISO. Let us start. Let us use the Debian 13, or we can go with even Debian 12 also. Let us use Debian 13. Is 4 GB of RAM and around 25. Let us use the 35 GB. We can go with the BIOS firmware, or you can go with the UEFI. Let us go with the BIOS only, just to show you. So options are live system in a failsafe mode and live system 64-bit, and in utilities you have got the hardware detection tool. Let us try this out. So you can detect the different devices. So it is showing us a list of PCI devices. Everything is unknown right now because the drivers are not loaded maybe. Let us check out the disk. So here the disk is there, that is the virtual disk we have got. Let us check out the memory. So here you can see the 4 GB RAM it is detecting. Processor, it is detecting the virtual processor, that is AMD Ryzen 5. BIOS, it is detecting the virtual BIOS. Chassis, it is a KEMU, that is the virtualization manager. System, KEMU, VESA BIOS, and the BIOS modes it will show. Graphics mode for the BIOS, VESA BIOS. ACPI tables. Okay. System Linux information. So bootloader is ISO Linux. Summary. This is the system summary. About. So this is the hardware detector tool 0.5, 0.2. So let us come out of this. We can reboot the system. Okay. What we can do is we will just post shutdown and restart this again. Now let us boot into the live system. So this is the Dekuve desktop that has booted. Yes. So first we'll do the desktop settings and increase the. Okay, so desktop setting doesn't have it. We'll have to check out for something else. Desktop settings we have checked. System settings we will go and increase the resolution. Yes, this is the display. So this Dekuve desktop, it is behaving little slow. It is not responsive as much. It is taking time to respond to user inputs. You can see here I am clicking it multiple times on the display. Display is not opening up. Yes. Now it has started responding. It's very slow. One of the slowest desktops in virtual machine. It is just not responding. What we can do is maybe we can restart the system and Okay, let us restart the system. Let us open system settings. This is second time that we are trying this out to change the display settings. First time the system was unresponsive. We have restarted the system. Again, you can see the system is very unresponsive. Now it has properly responded, and we will change the resolution. What happened? Yes, perfect. We will keep this. Close the dialog box. Now let us start with the installation. Let us check out the Dekuve installer. What differently it does the installation for the desktop, how the installation goes in the Dekuve installer, how it is different from the Calamars installer or any other installers available for example, the OpenSUSE installer is there. Yes. Oh, okay. So it is nothing but the Calamars installer only. We will hit the next button and wait for the installer to respond. Okay, so finally the Dekuve installer has responded, and we will start the installation. We will use the erase disk option. You can see here it is again unresponsive, so it takes time. Maybe since this Linux distribution is new, the optimizations are not that good. Okay, so by clicking on the cancel, it is going ahead. So better is you use the cancel button to make the installer go ahead. So we are going to use the erase disk method, and we'll go ahead. No, you can see here every time I click on next, it is not going ahead. Let us use the cancel button. No, so it is going ahead. I will type my name, use the tab button. Again, you can see no. Let us input my password. It is not responding. I click cancel, it goes ahead. So there is a bug in this installer? No. So everything is done. Now what we have to do is we have to hit the next button, and yes, this time the installer has responded and the installation has started. This is an overview of what will happen once you start the install procedure. I will hit the cancel, maybe. Okay, so cancel is now not responding. Let us wait few moments for the Dekuve installer to respond.